Complete the sentence. She dash a book when the phone rang. A. Reads. B. Was reading. C. Read. Choose the correct word. I dash to the concert next weekend. A. Will go. B. Went. C. Go. Find the synonym of cheerful. A. Happy. B. Sad. C. Angry. Choose the correct analogy. Bird, fly. Fish, A. Swim, B. Walk, C. Jump. Pick the antonym of brave. A. Fearless. B. Timid. C. Bold. Complete the sentence. The teacher dash us about the new project yesterday. A. Tells. B. Told. C. Is telling. Find the synonym of quick. A. Slow. B. Fast. C. Heavy. Choose the correct word. I at the library every Friday. A. Study. B. Studies. C. Studying. Choose the antonym of happy. A. Joyful. B. Miserable. C. Content. Pick the correct analogy. Pencil right. Brush. A. Paint. B. Clean. C. Color. Complete the sentence. She dashed to the market when it started raining. A. Goes. B. Going. C. Was going. Choose the synonym of difficult. A. Easy. B. Hard. C. Simple. Find the antonym of short. A. Tall. B. Long. C. Thin. Choose the correct word. I dashed a new book at the store today. A. Bought. B. Buy. C. Buys. Pick the correct analogy. Singer, song, author. A. Book. B. Music. C. Lyrics. Complete the sentence. They dash to the party next week. A. Are going. B. Will go. C. Goes. Choose the antonym of heavy. A. Light. B. Fat. C. Large. Pick the synonym of calm. A. Peaceful. B. Aggressive. C. Loud. Complete the sentence. I dash my homework before dinner. A. Did. B. Do. C. Does. Choose the correct word. He dash at the gym right now. A. Is working. B. Works. C. Work. Find the synonym of slow. A. Fast. B. Quick. C. Sluggish. Choose the correct word. The cat dash on the mat. A. Lies. B. Lay. C. Laying. Pick the antonym of rich. A. Poor. B. Wealthy. C. Affluent. Choose the correct analogy. Pen, comma, write. Scissors, comma, A. Cut. B. Open, comma, C. Close. Complete the sentence. I dash an interesting book last night. A. Read. B. Reading. C. Reads. Choose the antonym of wide. A. Narrow. B. Tall. C. Short. Pick the synonym of bright. A. Dark. B dull, C radiant. Complete the sentence, we dash to the park every Sunday. A, go, B, gone, C, goes. Choose the correct analogy. Clock. Time. Thermometer. A, heat, B, cold, C, weather. Find the antonym of fast. A, slow, B, quick, C, swift. Pick the correct word. She dashed at the supermarket when I saw her. A, was shopping. B, shops. C, shop. Choose the synonym of loud. A, quiet. B, noisy. C, calm. Complete the sentence. The students dash for the exam next week. A, are preparing. B, prepare. C, prepared. Pick the antonym of young. A, old. B, teen. C, child. Find the synonym of generous. A, greedy. B, selfish. C, kind. Complete the sentence. They dash to the gym every morning. A, goes. B, go. C, going. Choose the correct analogy. Key, lock. Password, state. A, door. B, computer. C, access. Pick the antonym of strong. A, weak. B, tough. C, powerful. Complete the sentence. I dash to finish the project before the deadline. A, am trying. B, tries. C, try. Find the synonym of famous. A, unknown. B, popular. C, rare. Choose the antonym of high. Less low, less tall, less short. Pick the correct word. We dashed to the concert last night. A. Went. B. Go. C. Going. Complete the sentence. He dashed to school by bus every day. A. Goes. B. Gone. C. Going. Pick the correct analogy. Book, read, movie. A. Watch. B. Write. C. View. Find the antonym of easy. A. Simple. B. Complicated. C. Clear. Complete the sentence. She, her car to work yesterday. A. Drives. B. Drove. C. Driving. Choose the synonym of happy. A. Sad. B. Joyful. C. Depressed. Pick the antonym of early. A. Late. B. Soon. C. Quick. Choose the correct word. We dash to visit the museum soon. A. Plans. B. Plan. C. Plan. Complete the sentence. He dash the match last night. A. Won. B. Wins. C. Win.
What?
Thank you so much for watching. Drop your target scores in the comments. Subscribe Talk Learner for more videos, and also drop your target scores in the comments. Thank you. Have a wonderful day and a peaceful night too. Bye-bye. Heh heh.